To get you to hurt me, I would have to break the myth we believed in, burst that bubble, holding our last breath of air, free of sin. To get you to hurt me, I would suffocate the flame, and there I'd desert you at sunset, in the shadows, making no sense at all. But if I step beyond the rage, not identify with pain, I'm going beyond these fears, bearing no reference in a game. Maybe the rules were forced to change, I'd not be so quick to blame. Who threw the first stone? And here I would ask you, where's the shame and surrender? Why hesitate to tear the walls down? How do I reach through the fears that surround you? When I just wanna help you to feel alive again. You should have seen me then. I would paint myself black, remove all trace of my image so no opposites would attract. You'd see under the surface the struggle, where the forces of nature are fighting, distorted and tortured, but nothing ever seems right. Here I step beyond the rage, not identify with the pain. I'm going beyond these fears, the better reference in a game. Maybe the rules would be forced to change, I'd not be so quick to blame. Who threw the first stone? And there I would ask you, where's the shame and surrender? Why hesitate to tear the walls down? How do I reach through the fears that surround you? I just wanna help you feel alive again. Yeah, yeah. Feel alive again. Oh, let's feel alive again. Oh. Get you to punish me for daring to fly. I would need you to be instrumental in my downfall. Shoot me out of your sky, watching this falling angel, devoid of grace, with no hope lost. Get you to punish me, whatever the cost. If I step beyond the rage, don't identify with pain. If I grow beyond these fears, there'll be no reference in the game. Maybe the rules could be forced to change.